Deep within our planet, slumbering giants stir. They are not mythical beasts, but geological titans known as supervolcanoes. These colossal cauldrons of molten rock dwarf their volcanic brethren. Their eruptions are not measured in cubic meters, but in cubic kilometers. They possess the power to reshape continents, shroud the skies, and alter the course of life itself. Supervolcanoes are not defined by their size alone, but by their explosive potential. They register as a magnitude 8 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI. This makes them thousands of times more powerful than ordinary volcanic eruptions. The last known VEI-8 eruption occurred over 26,500 years ago. It forever changed the landscape of New Zealand. Their impacts are global. Supervolcano eruptions eject massive amounts of ash and aerosols into the atmosphere. This can lead to a volcanic winter, a period of prolonged global cooling. Crops fail, ecosystems collapse, and civilizations crumble. The very fabric of our planet is tested. For millennia, these sleeping giants have remained dormant, their power a distant memory etched in ancient rock. But what happens when one of these giants awakens from its slumber? In the heart of the Atlantic Ocean, a new giant has been discovered. NASA, using cutting-edge sonar technology and deep-sea mapping, has confirmed the existence of a massive caldera. This submerged supervolcano, christened Atlantica Caldera, lies hidden beneath thousands of meters of water. It is a silent behemoth, its true potential unknown. This discovery sends chills down the spines of geologists and planetary scientists. The Atlantica Caldera is immense. It spans over 150 kilometers in diameter. That's larger than many countries. Its caldera, a testament to past eruptions, hints at the unimaginable power that lies dormant beneath the waves. Scientists believe that Atlantica Caldera has erupted multiple times in Earth's history. Each eruption would have been a cataclysmic event. These eruptions would have dwarfed even the most powerful volcanic explosions in recorded human history. The discovery of Atlantica Caldera changes everything. It reminds us that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing system. It underscores the awesome power that lies hidden beneath our feet, or in this case, beneath the waves. Imagine, if you will, the fury of a supervolcano eruption, amplified by the unforgiving power of the ocean. The eruption of Atlantica Caldera would be unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. The initial blast would be catastrophic. A column of molten rock and superheated steam would erupt from the ocean floor. This would create mega tsunamis, towering walls of water hundreds of meters high. These tsunamis would race across the Atlantic Ocean at the speed of a jetliner. Coastal cities would be wiped off the map. Millions, if not billions, of lives would be at risk. The very foundations of our civilization would be shaken, but the devastation wouldn't end there. The eruption would release trillions of tons of volcanic ash and gases into the atmosphere. These particles would block out the sun, plunging the planet into darkness. Global temperatures would plummet, leading to a volcanic winter. Crops would fail. Ecosystems would collapse. The delicate balance of life on Earth would be thrown into chaos. And as if that weren't enough, the eruption would also acidify the oceans. Marine life would be decimated, further disrupting food chains and threatening the livelihoods of millions. The consequences are almost too terrible to contemplate. So when exactly will Atlantica erupt? Well, that's a question scientists are still trying to answer. You see, predicting volcanic eruptions is incredibly complex. It involves monitoring seismic activity, gas emissions, and even the ground deformation. Right now, researchers are gathering data and using advanced models to estimate the timing, but as of now, it's still uncertain. What we do know is that it's not a matter of if, but when. So, stay tuned as we continue to learn more about this fascinating and potentially dangerous natural event. Imagine for a moment a super eruption. The sheer scale of its impact would be felt globally. We're talking about massive climate shifts, disruptions to agriculture, and even a potential volcanic winter. The consequences would ripple through economies, ecosystems, and societies, altering life as we know it. Enter Project Triton. This groundbreaking initiative aims to understand and mitigate the risks associated with super eruptions. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and international collaboration, Project Triton seeks to develop early warning systems and innovative solutions to protect humanity from these catastrophic events. So can we prevent the inevitable? While we may not be able to stop a super eruption from occurring, we can certainly take steps to minimize its impact. Through research, preparedness, and global cooperation, we can build resilience against such natural disasters and safeguard our future. Preparing for the unthinkable is no small feat. It requires a coordinated effort across governments, scientists, and communities. From creating emergency plans to educating the public, every action counts. By being proactive, we can ensure that when the time comes, we're ready to face the challenges head-on.